Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the error exit code 8 that you get while trying to install Intel graphics driver. To get started, simply search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the display adapter option. From here, note down the name of your graphics driver. Then open your browser and search with that particular name. From search results, go to the Intel's web page and download the latest driver. Once downloaded, get back to Device Manager, right click over the graphics adapter and select Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select this option. From here, select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and click on Next. Now close this window. Now run the setup file that you just downloaded from Intel's website. Click on Begin Installation. Accept the license agreement. At this point, make sure you checkmark the box of Execute a clean installation and then click on Start. And this time you won't get any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.